Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first lecture in this course. So today course can be seen as two parts. So the first part is an introduction to the course. So we are going to know how we can run this course, how we can run the lecture, the exercise, and the assessments. While the second part, it will be an introduction to the software testing, some basic information about the software testing. So this is a little bit about me. My name is Abdullah Nasser, PhD in software engineering from University Malaysia, Pahang. Currently, I'm a university lecturer at University of Gaza. My research area in software testing. So I'm working on the software testing since 2014. I am working in the area of test case generations using optimization methods like genetic algorithm, particle swarm, harmony search, and other optimization methods. So here are the outlines. So we'll start with the objective, the course objective, what you have to learn in this course. And the second is the course materials. Where is the course material? Where you can find the course material, and the virtual classroom, how we can run our course virtually. So here we'll go for the three parts, which is the lecture, the exercise, the assessments. Then we'll go through the software testing, introduction to the software testing, why software testing is important, also why every bug cannot be detected. In the end, we end with some definitions. Here is some information about the course. So the course name, the course code, and the teachers. So here I will be responsible for all the lectures and the English group. We have 6 exercise groups. I will be responsible for the English groups, while Laura will be responsible for Finnish group. So the objective of the course. In general, guys, we can say there is many software testing techniques, So here, the main objective of this course is to learn that different techniques and how to apply that techniques. So let's go in details what you have to learn. By the end of this course, you should understand the basic principle of the software testing. So this is number 1. And there is some documentation also. You have to know that documentation is related to the software testing. So you should know how to create that documents. The third objective is to understand how testing tools support your testing. There is many testing tools can be used in testing, for example, in unit testing, which is GUnit, also some other testing like test generation tools. So you have to understand how to use it, how to use that supporting tools. So the last objective is student can apply what he learned. So you will learn many things. So you have to know how to apply that independent or in groups. Materials and virtual classroom. All the materials of this course will be available in Moodle. So the notes, the exercise, videos, everything will be there. Everything related to the course will be available in Moodle. We have another application will be used during this course, which the first one is Zoom. So Zoom will be used for online communications, for online lecture. And we have another application, which is Miro. So Miro, it's a website, so we can use it for enrich the discussion about any topics. So if you don't have, it's not compulsory, by the way, but it's good to have it. So we create one page for our course. So that's course actually, first you have to create your account. You go to the page, the website, and then create your account. After that, you go to our page. If you are new, you have to register. I think it's only by email. It's free. So this is the website, and our website or our course, it's here. So just if we have question like today class, this is for today. Just we have, for example, this, and I want you to share why, for example, this thing is important. So you just take any stick from here, and then you write why. Okay, so it's easy. I try to make it also in tabs. So here, for example, this is the first one. If you go to the second lecture, it's okay, this is the second lecture, and so on. It's not that difficult, as we say. Just it's good application. Actually, it's good application. Okay, this is the link, the one I opened just. So this is Kahoot. Kahoot actually is the last one. This is, we'll use it sometime, not every times. And so this one actually, guys, it's used for quizzes. So I will not use it for quiz, but sometime if there is, for example, we end any chapter, then I give you to check your knowledge. Okay. So the assessment of this course, actually, it's okay. The assessment actually is based on the exam, So, but you have to submit the exercise, at least 4 of the 5. So the exercise, as we say, okay, the grading is based on the exam. There is some bonus. So if you're submitting the 5 exercise, attending all the exercise, so another 1 point. Visiting lecture, if you attend the visiting lecture, also another 1 point. Okay. So the online class, the online exam will be, you will be giving 3 attempts. Each attempt is 2 hours. So if you're not satisfied the first one, and then, or you not pass the first one, you can repeat, or you can retake the exam the second times. So here are the dates of the exam. So you can prepare yourself from now, which one you want to take. Of course, the exam is individual. Question will be different for each student. We try to give the same question, but not exactly same level of the question, but the questions will be different. So here's some information, just read it later. Maybe the important one is the points, that is 30 marks, and you have to pass at least 15. Okay, guys, this is the exercise. The exercise, it's all the exercise in the lab. The lab is technobotania, so you have to attend the labs. The second one, each lab or each exercise, 2 parts. So the first part, it will be, you can do it anytime in your own times. Anytime you are free, you can do it. But before you come to the lab, something it's easy for the first part. Okay, and sometimes it's just watch the video, and then in the exercise or in the lab, you come and apply these. So if you have any problem, we can help you. Okay, the submission is individual, but if you want to do it with your friends, it's okay. Just do it with your small groups of friends. But the important things related to the lab should be done. The first part should be done before you come to the lab. Okay, before you come to the lab. So let's go to the model. Do you have any question so far?
By going to the lab, do you mean physically going to a lab, or is it
the lab?
online
I mean,
lab?
The lab where you will do the exercise, which is the technobotania. I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Now, so the next we'll go to the model. Just to, I think you're already familiar with the model, but okay, let's see. So it's parts, three parts or three topics. So this is will be like this. If you so you can the first one it's lecture. So you can go to the lecture if you want to go to the lectures. Okay, this is the exercise. We'll go to the exercise. Okay, here the exercise as well. Some of them is available for you, and some of them it's not available. So later will be all is available by time. And the exam is the last one. So I think you are familiar with this model. So no need to repeat. Just want to show you how you can explore the model. What else, guys? We have here some videos later by once we finish any class or any lecture, we'll upload some video here. So please watch it. Okay, back to the slide. Okay, guys, the last one is materials. So this course actually is based on this book, which is The Arts of Software Testing. Actually, it's two books, not only this, but this is the main one, The Arts of the Software Testing. So this book actually is cover all the software testing techniques. You can say from 1 to 6, it's cover all the software testing techniques that will cover by this course. Okay, there is the chapter I mean from 1 to 6. The another chapters, actually, if you read it, it will be better. If you read it, it will be better. It will not cover by this course, but it's good to read. The last chapters, which is from 10 to 11, it's out of the scope. Maybe it's both of most of this research base. Even we have one exercise is research, but this one it's out of our scope. So where you will find this one, actually, if you just Google it, you can find it. PDF is available. Also, maybe it's available in the library. You can also take it. Okay, so another also the materials, also or the slide in the modules. All the slide will be available in the modules. So the last one also your own notes. You may make some notes that will be also as materials for this course. Here are another box, which is also it's very useful. Will be our main reference of this course.